We've already showed you how easy this tactical light kit is to order off our website. Now I'd like to show you how to install it. We have an Avata 2 right here. We already have one of the lights installed, and I'd like to show you how to get the next light on. So we start by taking the light out of the box. We start with our plastic nub that comes in your kit, and you place that in the circle in the back with the hole facing up. You take the bracket, and it's got a spot where that nub slides in. Make sure that it goes all the way in, because if you don't push it all the way in, the screw that captures it won't work properly. So we push that all the way in. We mount it on the light. We put the hook under the Avata to start, hold it with your other hand, take the cap, put the cap on the top, and then we're going to put the screw in and screw it down. Now this, again, it's really important that you make sure that this light is all the way pushed in. It will click in at the very end. You take your included Allen wrench and you screw it all the way in. These come with a 100% lifetime guarantee, so if you ever have any problems with these, any installation issues, reach out to us, whatever it is, we'll get it taken care of quickly. So once we get it all the way in there and it's snug, now we have both lights on there. And again, they're secure. They rotate a little bit, but it's really difficult to rotate them. They stay pointed forward. They won't come off. They're not going to pop off. Just very secure. Great product. Fly safe, stay safe.